Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you on how to set up Shopify US tax for international sellers so your store stays compliant and avoids unnecessary penalties in 2026. If you're selling from outside the United States, collecting and remitting US sales tax can seem confusing. But don't worry, Shopify makes it manageable if you follow the right steps. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and navigating to Settings, then Taxes and Duties. This is the hub where all your tax settings are managed. Next, ensure your store location is correctly set to your international address. Shopify uses this to determine how to apply US sales tax for your customers. Even though you're outside the US, you may still have tax obligations if you have a nexus in any state. Now, enable US tax collection in Shopify. Shopify allows you to automatically calculate sales tax for all US states where tax is required. You can select the states individually if you only need to collect tax in specific areas. You'll also want to check the rules for each state. Some states have thresholds for sales or transactions before you need to collect tax. So, make sure you understand where your tax obligations apply to avoid overcharging or undercharging customers. On your product pages, confirm that taxable items are marked properly. Shopify lets you set each product as taxable or non-taxable, depending on the product type and the state rules. Decide whether US taxes should be included in the product price or added at checkout. Both options are valid, but it's important to be consistent to avoid confusing customers. Test your checkout process using a US address to confirm that taxes are calculated correctly. Yeah, this small step ensures that you won't face complaints or unexpected charges from customers. Finally, remember that Shopify calculates the tax, but filing and remitting it is your responsibility. Keep detailed records and consult a US tax professional if needed. So that's how to set up Shopify US tax for international sellers in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and global selling tips, and I'll see you in the next one.